Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Subaru WRX versus the Honda Civic. Let's dive into their performance aspects. The Subaru WRX is renowned for its standard all-wheel drive, providing excellent grip and handling in diverse conditions. On the other hand, the Honda Civic, especially in its performance trims, offers a thrilling front-wheel drive experience. Both cars are celebrated for their engaging driving dynamics and powerful engines, making them popular choices for enthusiasts. Moving inside, the Subaru WRX typically presents a more utilitarian, driver-focused interior, often equipped with supportive sport seats. The Honda Civic, however, tends to offer a more polished and modern cabin, boasting a wider array of advanced technology and comfort features. When it comes to practicality, both vehicles provide ample cargo space and seating for passengers, making them suitable for daily commuting and weekend adventures alike. Considering value and ownership, the initial purchase price can vary widely depending on the specific trim and options chosen for either the WRX or the Civic. Generally, the Civic, particularly its non-performance models, often boasts better fuel efficiency, which can lead to lower running costs. Both vehicles are known for maintaining strong resale values, making them sound investments in the long run for many drivers. Ultimately, the driving experience is a key differentiator. The Subaru WRX delivers a more raw, visceral, and rally-inspired feel, appealing to those who prioritize aggressive performance and all-weather capability. The Honda Civic, especially in its sportier trims, offers a more refined and balanced ride, blending spirited performance with everyday comfort and practicality. For those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Both cars offer unique thrills, so your choice depends on your personal driving preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.